What if I told you that there was a conventional loan that had no down payment, no monthly mortgage insurance premiums, no hit to the rate for the zero down payment option, no reserves needed, and I'd have to be a first-time home buyer? What would you think? What would you think if I told you that this particular mortgage with a minimum credit score requirement of 580, that's right, 580, also has a unique feature that all reasonable closing costs and prepaid expenses can be rolled into the mortgage without the seller actually paying the cost? Think about how useful that would be in negotiation of contracts, and especially when you are purchasing a foreclosed property. Well, there is a conventional loan that has these great options, and it's called the USDA Rural Loan Program. Yes, just like the beef. The USDA loan is an area-specific, income-limited, so it is important that you work with me. I am very knowledgeable with the USDA loan guidelines, and I can help you get your loan approved prior to looking for your home. Cities that are eligible for the USDA loan program in the Antelope Valley are Acton, Little Rock, Lake Los Angeles, Lake Elizabeth, and Leona Valley. If I can be of assistance to you with this great program, simply call me at 661-794-7236 or email me at taguilar@prmg.net. Because of my expert knowledge of this great mortgage, I am one of the only few lenders in the Antelope Valley that offers this great program. PRMG Mortgage knows this product well, so call me if I can be of assistance. So what's the beef? Think USDA, and then call me, Tony Aguilar with PRMG Mortgage. Have a blessed December, and have a Merry Christmas.